I'm Rachel and you're watching Kalkine TV live from Sydney. This is the Market Movers Show, where we take you through the trending ASX listed stocks that are on the gainers trajectory every day. But before I share the updates on top gainers of the day, let's have a look at the latest market updates. The benchmark equity index ASX 200's trading higher on Monday so far, adding 84 points or 1.19 thousand, 7,164. Amid broad-based buying by afternoon so far today. Earlier, the benchmark hit a fresh 14-month high, buoyed by gains in metals and mining stocks. Earlier today, the ASX opened marginally lower as investors remained cautious after Sydney extended COVID-19 restrictions by a week. The government is set to announce the federal budget for 2021 to 2022 on Tuesday at 7:30 in the evening, Australian Eastern Standard Time. Now let's take a look at the top 5 ASX gainers of the day. The stock of media company The Star Entertainment Group surged almost 10% to the intra-day high of $4.30. The stock climbed after the company said it had submitted a conditional non-binding indicative proposal to merge with Crown at a nil premium share exchange ratio of 2.68 Star shares per Crown share. Based on recent trading values of Star and the substantial value that would be unlocked by a merger, the company estimates that its pro forma share price is more than $5 per share. That's implying a potential value of the scrip consideration more than $14 per Crown share. The stock of Australia's largest gaming and entertainment company, Crown Resorts, surged almost 10% to the day's high of $13.32. The shares jumped after receiving a merger proposal from the Star Entertainment Group. Meanwhile, the Crown board has not yet formed a view on the merits of the merger proposal. They will now start a process to assess the merger proposal, and they'll do that by looking at the value and terms of the proposal and other considerations. The stock of the litigation funder Omni Bridgeway rose just over 9% to $3.35. In its update on Monday, Omni Bridgeway referred to its announcement that was dated from the 30th of April 2021 regarding the settlement of the Wivenhoe class action with the state of Queensland and Sunwater. That's for an aggregate amount of $440 million. The Supreme Court of New South Wales approved the terms of the settlement sought on behalf of the group members. That settlement is now unconditional, although there will be a period in which an appeal can be made from the approval orders. Omni Bridgeway considers the prospects of any appeal being made to be very, very unlikely. Let's take a look at another stock now. The stock of the Australian iron ore company Fortescue Metals Group surged 7% to the day's high of $24.58. The stock rose after the iron ore prices on Friday surged to another high amid rising demand for steelmaking material in China, soaring prices of commodities and a growing rift between Australia and China. S&P Global Platts said its IODEX, that's a benchmark assessment of the spot price of physical iron ore for 62% iron ore fines, had soared to $10.10, that's in US, or 5% to $212.75 a tonne. The last high was on Friday following increased demand from Chinese investors following the 3-day holiday. The shares of Australian lithium mining company Pilbara Mines climbed almost 7% to $1.26. The stock shares are up more than 500% over the past 12 months. The latest surge is believed to be due to a rise in commodity prices. Lithium is a key ingredient in the lithium-ion battery. The investors are hoping that the mass adoption of electric vehicles across the world would result in a supply squeeze for lithium. Even the recent announcement by Boss Resources about reopening of the mothballed Honeymoon uranium mine in South Australia's northeast has raised positive sentiments. That's all for now. Stay tuned with Kalkine TV for more live market updates. We'll be back very shortly with more news on the markets, the economy, diverse themes and sectors. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.